Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tajul Arifin. I'm 18 years old from Perbanas Institute. I'm here. I want to presentation, and my title of the presentation is Student Open Business Around Campus. During college, many students want to get their own income to pay tuition for daily needs. So many students open business, one of them by opening around the campus. Not a few who open the business around the campus, one of them from the Perbanas Institute. And the purpose of this presentation is a recommendation to all students from Perbanas Institute who wish to earn income by opening a business. We do not discuss how much profit is derived from these sales. We do not discuss what to do when you lose or to go bankrupt. Assumption. Our recommendations are based on the assumption for people who have done that, and also based on students who have been successful in doing so. So I can recommend it to the Perbanas student. And the method is, our information from this presentation comes from students who were successful in opening this business, citizens around the Perbanas campus, lecture, and survey of 20 students. The limitation, our research that have three limitations. Firstly, there are many students or people who open business around campus. Second, when customers are bored with product made. Third, when there are no variation of the product made. The part 1. In this day and age, trading or doing business is a very easy thing to do. At this time, doing business is a very much done by everyone, and also very profitable. Many from adults to teens open a business. Usually people who want to open a business first. Surely that person will find a good place to start a business. Many students start business around the campus. From this data, it can be seen that 20 people are agree if the student open business around the campus, and also one is the natural, which means that most people believe that the campus is the good area to open a business. Part 2. Choosing a strategic and appropriate place is something that can make our business successful, and as we expect. Students usually open the business for the first time through the internet, around their home, and around the campus. Many students choose around the campus to open up their business because in the area is a strategic place for students to start their business. Around the campus are usually a lot of people and customers, and that is main reason of the open business around the campus. From this data, it can be seen that 70% people or 18 people agree that a campus is a good area, and also 30% people or 3 people disagree if the campus are a good area. It can be concluded that most people believe that the campus is a good and strategic place to open a business. Part 3. In the present time, many people are making business to meet their daily needs. Opening a business in the present no longer knows the age. There are those who open business in adulthood, even too young or teenager. Opening business at a young age is a very good thing, because by opening a business at a young age, we have business experience. From this data, it can be seen that 20 people, all of them, the respondents are agree that in the young age we can open business. It can be concluded that we can add the experience at young age and anything else. The part 4. Opening a business is a good thing now. Many are opening a business at this time. Do not know age. Many students also open their business at this time. Many agree and disagree with students who open their business at a young age. From this data, it can be seen that 21 people agree that student can open the business. It can be concluded that student can be open business at the young age and there we must and there find the right place to start their business. The part 5. Opening a business is an opportunity for us to earn income. Opening a business has many benefits for us. The first of which can add the experience of doing business, expanding the network of friends, and can meet the daily needs. Especially if you open a business at a young age, you don't need to ask parents for money. From this data, it can be seen that 95% agree that opening business can meet the daily needs, and also 5% disagree that the opening business can meet the daily needs. It can be concluded that the most people believe that by opening a business, we can meet the daily needs. The conclusion: student opening business at a young age is a good thing and is also right thing, because it will not trouble parents, and also opening a business around the campus is a good area for students to open their business first. By opening a business at a young age is very useful for students, which can add experience, can meet their daily needs, and also can divide their time very well and increase network of friends. And my suggestion is that students should be brave enough to take risks by opening a business at a young age. Despite failure, we must keep trying. By opening a business at a young age, we can add experience so we can know how difficult life is. And our suggestion, students in making decision to open a business at a young age must also see or know how to be a successful opening a business at a young age. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.